Okay, so we are going to solve for t in the equation 0 equals 250 minus 6t minus 4.9t squared. In order to do that on the 84, what we're going to want to do is go into our apps, and you want to find the one that says PLYSMLT, and for me it says 2, and I think everybody should have a 2 on it, but if you don't have the 2, that should be okay anyway. It's basically a polynomial simulator. So the easiest way to do that is to literally just tap the number. So that was 9. And now we want the polynomial root finder, which is going to be 1. Okay. We want second order. Okay. So move over to it, second order. You want it to be real. I'm going to say right up front, you want it to be decimals, because whenever you're doing anything in physics, you have to evaluate. You want it in decimal format. If you prefer scientific notation, great. You want it in float. You want it to give you all the digits possibles, and we're going to be in degrees. Now, you can kind of see these like little tab-like things that say main, help, and next. And the next should be roughly over the button graph. So you want to hit graph, and then you're going to come up to a polynomial second order. I am going to show you, I just cleared it so that it looks more like what yours may look like. And so we want to put in the value that's in front of t squared. So in this case, it's going to be the negative, not subtraction, but negative 4.9. And then we hit enter. Notice it pops up there. Then we're going to, in front of the t, or the x on the screen, we want to have minus, and then we hit enter, and then we want it to be 6, and enter. And then the last digit, the c in the quadratic equation, is plus, enter, 250, enter. Does the equation as it is written in your screen look like the equivalent of 0 equals 250 minus 6t minus 4.9t squared? Okay, if that's the case, you want it to solve. It's not a touch screen, so you need to go to graph, which it should be basically underneath the solve information. You hit graph, and then it's going to give you 2 possible values for the time, and you want to pick the positive value.